Sunlight comes creeping in, illuminates our skin. We watch the day go by, stories of...
Hello and Assalamualaikum to everyone who's visiting our channel. Today, we are going to present about the future of FPTT that we want to accomplish centered on Pusat Kesihatan. My name is Nurakila binti Yatin and today I will bring all of you toward the world of our FPTT. As you all can see, these are the sketches that is the fruit of our idea that we want to include in our Pusat Kesihatan. Firstly, as we entered the Pusat Kesihatan, we want to provide an automatic sliding door, which is the idea came from the thought of disabled people who visited our Pusat Kesihatan. Next, it should be kiosks that we believe would provide great benefits to students and civilians, especially during rush hour. Our innovation also includes UTeM Medical Record, which is an app that we think will be a great convenience for the Pusat Kesihatan staff to track the students' medical record. And lastly, it will be the CCTVs because we think that should be mandatory for government buildings to be included with CCTVs in this 21st century. So next, I will let my friends guide you more into details of our future FPTT.
Greetings, my name is Merjana, and through this floor plan, I would like to introduce our future Pusat Kesihatan in FPTT. First of all, as one of the personnel responsible for investigating the area, the first thing I notice is the door entrance. Why? Because it takes a lot of efforts to open it up, and so our first innovation is to replace the old swinging door to an automatic sliding glass, which instantly and simultaneously freeing up more space and allowing easier entrance. Next, through the floor plan, we can see two UTeM logo, which indicates our kiosk. Instead of the primitive method of registering at the counter, we decided to install two multi-purpose kiosks at the lobby. The counter will be used specifically as a pharmacy counter. Last but not least, our most important innovation in Pusat Kesihatan is the CCTV. Due to the non-existence of any security measures in the area, we plan to put 9 CCTV in Pusat Kesihatan, 1 CCTV for each room, 1 at the lobby, and 1 at the exit and the entrance. The CCTV can show us the situation of an area in a glance. The recording from the CCTV will be uploaded at the cloud computing storage automatically, which further ensures the safety of its content. However, the recording will be eliminated after a certain period of time, so that the storage and the cost will be managed more efficiently.
Okay, my name is Koshila Anaperempuan Ganesan. I'm going to present about innovative technologies of our future FPTT. First, modify the Pusat Kesihatan door to an automatic sliding door. At our Pusat Kesihatan, the space in front of the door is very small and it takes half of the space when the door is open. This makes very difficult for the disabled people and the people who use wheelchair to enter the Pusat Kesihatan. Number 2, provide parking for disabled people at Pusat Kesihatan. At our Pusat Kesihatan, there is no parking available for disabled people. Disabled people should be given priority everywhere. This disabled parking lot also can be used for emergency purpose. Example, like an ambulance can park their vehicle there while waiting for the patients. Number 3, providing kiosk service. This kiosk service made easier of registration purpose. Patients do not need to queue long at the counter for registration. Kiosk service make it easier for the patient to make appointment for treatment, emergency and outpatient registration. Kiosk service also speed up the process of taking medicine for the person or the patient who came to take medicine only. Number 4, we intended an application known as UTeM Medical Record. Medical records are very important in a clinic to speed up the process of registration, and it intended to keep patients' health records safely. Through this medical record, the students' health record will be recorded and kept as long as they studies at UTeM. UTeM Medical Record application Also, make easier for the staff to provide medicine for the students who came to take medicine only based on their health records that have been recorded before. Last but not least, we plan to install CCTV in the Pusat Kesihatan. Installation of CCTV is mandatory in every government building. CCTV installation is for monitoring purposes at Pusat Kesihatan. With the existence of CCTV, abuse of power by the head departments against students can be avoided. In conclusion, all areas in the Pusat Kesihatan will be installed with CCTV to monitor every movement of patients and staff. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Faiz Iqbal bin Ahmad Ruslan. So today I'm going to present about 3 benefits of our innovation. So the future of FPTT that were embedded in our mind comes along with the benefit that can be gained with installment of our innovation. The installment of an automatic sliding door at the entrance of Pusat Kesihatan comes with a lot of benefits, such as being a great convenience toward disabled people, especially those with wheelchair, as it also improve cleanliness and safety by avoiding patients to make contact with the germ that could stay on normal door. Next, with the installment of kiosks, we are benefiting by avoiding human interaction, especially during this era of COVID-19. Not only that, having a kiosk would improve data accuracy and time saving when seeking for medical attention inside this clinic. And for the last part, the future of Pusat Kesihatan in our mind were provided with CCTV. The reason is, in this 21st century, all government buildings should mandatorily be installed with CCTV because of the perk that came with it. Having CCTV would provide insurance to visitors of Pusat Kesihatan, as it play a good part in crime prevention, such as deterring vandalism and many more. It is also a good medium to monitor employee productivity, and plus, its true benefit is to collect evidence and keep record of the activity inside the facility. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dr. Kamila binti Muhammad Tamami. My part is about something important for companies. It's called strategic alignment from tools portfolio management. Basically, it's like planning and doing things to make sure a company's big plans match its overall goals. Think of it as a team effort where everyone and everything work together for long-term success. Now, there are 3 key elements to make this happen. First, business and IT. Second, people. And 3, processes. For example, in the health center, they may use cool technology like registration kiosks and sliding doors to make things faster and save space. But there are always some challenges, right? That's where risk mitigation comes in. It's like a strategy to deal with potential problems. In our case, we are looking at risks that might affect costs. One way is to accept the risk, like knowing a kiosk can cost between $1,500 to $5,000. Another way is to avoid the risk by planning ahead, maybe testing stronger materials to prevent product failure or using teamwork to keep things running smoothly. So, in a nutshell, strategy alignment is like creating a great team dance, and risk mitigation is about planning for the bumps in the road. It's all about keeping the company on the path to success. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and greeting to all. My name is Muhammad Afif Izahar bin Azmi. I will talk about resource optimization and focus innovation for our future Pusat Kesihatan in FPTT. First, resource optimization. Resource optimization is the process of allocating and managing resources in the most efficient way possible. In resource management, decision makers use resource optimization such as resource leveling and resource smoothing. Resource leveling is a technique where the start and finish date are adjusted so that company project can be finished using the resource required. Pusat Kesihatan can build more kiosks for patients and make more space for the entry. Next is resource smoothing. Resource smoothing or time constraint scheduling ensure that the requirements stay within budget to prevent the project from exceeding the source allocated for free up more space in the clinic and allow for the easier entry. Next, I will talk about focused innovation. Focused innovation means concentrating our resource on core field of application such as automotive, engineering and the sector, and continuing to improve the material to using in the project. The type of focused innovation is business model innovation and product innovation. First, business model innovation. Business model innovation is when the pusat kesihatan manager reimagine how they approach the market or customer. In this issue, the pusat kesihatan need to give an easier way for the patient to get the treatment. So, they need to build more kiosks that can help the patient and also put a CCTV for keep a safety in the pusat kesihatan. Last, the product innovation. Product innovation can be either incremental or breakthrough advance in pusat kesihatan existing core, offering the new product and service to provide the customer and market. So for the example, pusat kesihatan build more kiosks and CCTV to give a comfort zone to patient and make the production more smoothly.